Hi everyone, this is Deepak from Central Surgery. I'm going to show you how to use accuRx for video consultations from home, even if you don't have work laptop or system on access from work. You just have to go to your web browser and basically paste this URL fleming.accurx.com.login. Once you've done it, it'll ask you to log in with your NHS email. This is the only way you can use this, I'm afraid. If you don't have an NHS email, you can't use this. So let me log in. So obviously it's going to ask you a few things about using this service and what it can be kept, and you can go through that list. And I'll change it to Central Surgery here and accept. Right. So either you can now send an SMS or a video consultation. Say, for example, I'm going to start a video consultation. Click on that. This is a test one. You can use any number for this. I'm just using this. And put any random date of birth as a trial. But if you have a real patient, you can put the patient NHS number and their date of birth. And then search for patient. So it just gave some random patient and confirm patient. Now it's going to ask you whether you want to start a video consultation and send video consultation invite. So you have to put a mobile number. In this example, I'm putting my own number. And send the link. That's it. And the patient will get a text message as you do it normally with accuRx from system 1, and you just have to click the link and you can just put in your number and start the link. That's it. And I'll click your open video consultation here. So, request permissions, allow. And because I've sent a text to my own mobile, I can click on mobile, assuming I'm the patient. And let's see what it does. That's me, and that's the patient, which is me again, which is funny. But anyway, it does work. That's what I want to show. Hope it's useful. Thanks. Thanks, everyone.